You feeling this last game? Last game.
2-2.
It's a must win. 2-2.
Yeah, if I win this, I think it'll be 2-2.
Oh.
Then the last game becomes very
Last
interesting.
game. Oh.
And with Neuer in there, it's going to help.
With Neuer. Come on. Game on the line. What are you gonna do? So with your foot mob rating of 4.
4? That's because Melbourne scored from outside the box.
How are you gonna change this time?
I guess stop his outside box shots, isn't it?
That was fine. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Cheeky that, cheeky.
Get it!
Oh, how is that? Oh. What is this guy doing? What are you doing?
I'll push that.
That was really fun. What is that? Oh, how is that?
Look at the clicks.
Maybe that's yours, man.
Ooh, clean. Oh, hit the woodwork. Oh my god. Oh my god. Good, still good. Oh, he slipped. Oh, easy tap. Oh no. Oh no. Yes!
You're right.
Oh no! Yes!
Time, bro. Nice. Oh no. Yes!
Oh no!
Oh, that was disgusting. Come on, what was that?
Oh, that was disgusting.
I guess stop his outside box shots, innit? Stop his outside box shots, innit?
What was that?
Come on. Sorry.
Gonna bounce back from this. Half time. What are the talks? What are the talks so far?
We're gonna use our extra man.
Extra man.
I think they're gonna feel it now.
Feel it now. To be fair, looking at them,
Yeah. So,
you have a chance here. Going for the long game.
So
Yeah,
I think so. Yeah.
you're going for the long game. I'm liking it.
Full energy all the way. Yeah.
Battling well, best 2 man so far.
Let's do, man.
Yeah, what do you reckon of these 2 so far?
They're doing good. They're doing a hard performance there. Still got another half to go. You know,
What's your honest thought? Do you reckon they'll win the game or
honest thoughts, you got to dig deep. You know, you got to dig deep.
keep fighting?
Keep fighting.
Alright, when you boys are ready, yeah? What about me? Should I?
You're dog. Oh.
Go, shoot! Yeah! Go!
Oh! Oh! Atrocious.
Back!
Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh! Oh my god!
What is that for?
Oh!
What is that for? Don't do that. Shit.
Oh! There you go!
Shit.
Oh!
Shit.
Oh, save. Oh, save. Oh, save. Oh, my God.
It's too cold.
Wait. Oh my god!
Gun, he's shooting you, Nicola Jackson. Pull the trigger.
Last out, boys.
Last down.
Oh no! Woo. Stop her, come on. Oh, you good? That was all ball.
Oh, my God.
Keep it in.
Some playboys, maybe, you know?
That was all.
That's right. good, you good, you good.
Clean down, strong tackle. Wow, is that 2 or 3?